This is the original portable blender, the BlendJet One. It comes in 6 vibrant colors, perfect for smoothies, protein shakes, and all your blending needs. Powerful enough to crush ice, quiet enough for a library, wild enough for a party, fast enough to fuel you, light enough to travel anywhere. It's amazing for making perfectly blended protein shakes right at the gym. Yum. You can charge with any USB port. It even cleans itself. We offer free worldwide shipping. With over 100,000 customers in 195 countries, BlendJet is top rated with 4.9 stars from over 2,000 reviews. Ready to cut the cord? Order your BlendJet today, exclusively from blendjet.com.